Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshan, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the LiquidRemix ROM based on Android 9 Pie for LG G3. It is running the latest LiquidRemix ROM, and before moving on, I would like to thank the developer for maintaining this ROM, and he's been supporting this device for a long time. So older device like LG G3 running is Android 9 Pie is really great, and I really would like to thank him. And yes, I've been using this ROM for 3 weeks now. I haven't experienced any major issues. So before moving on, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon so that you can receive the notifications when I upload a new video. And a review of this ROM is coming in the next video, so stay tuned for that. So let's get to my computer and I'll show you how to download them. Then we can start installing the ROM. So I'll put the links down in the description of the links I'm using here. So the first link is for the ROM itself. The link won't load actually in first. Normally it won't load, so you will have to use a VPN or a Tor browser. So I'm using here Brave browser. So in Brave browser we have a settings like this. You can go up here to settings and you can see new private window with Tor. You can click on that and you can use the link here. So as you can see here, we have two builds. So second one is the latest build, 2018 1221. So click on that, right click, and you can go for standard download. I've already downloaded it, and the next thing what you want to do is download the OpenGApps package for Android 9 Pie. So you need to select the ARM package, not ARM64, Android 9, and you can go for any of this, Pico, Nano, or Micro. I would say stick with Pico, and you can download by clicking here. So I've also downloaded that, and I have these two ROMs available here. Let's copy this and let me put it inside my internal storage. So I'll just paste here. So here is the device, and I hope you can see. Is it focused? Okay. So I'm gonna long press on my power button and go to advanced and go to reboot into recovery. So you can see it's an LG G3. Okay, so I'll probably speed up this process because it might take a bit long. So as you can see, we are running 12 recovery 3.2.3.0. I simply don't want to waste your time. So first what we will do is wipe. If you have backed up and you don't have any information important available on the device that you're going to delete, so first you need to back up and you just swipe up here and it will back up. But I'm gonna go for a clean install. So we'll go to wipe, advanced wipe, and you will select whatever things you want to remove from your device, what you want to wipe. I will go for Dalvik ART cache and go for cache, data, and system. We are not going to wipe the internal storage or micro SD. So swipe to confirm. So it is wiping everything. So the wipe is complete. So I'm gonna go to home and we go to install, and as you can see we have the ROM and the OpenGApps. So I'm gonna select the ROM first, then click on add more zip, and I'll select the OpenGApps package and check this box, reboot after installation is complete, and just swipe to confirm. It's installing, as you can see here. So I will simply fast forward this in the editing process. So it's asking prompt to install twerp, and don't require that, so I'll go for do not install, and that should reboot the device. Okay, the installation is complete, so let me set up the device first. So our phone is almost set, and let me increase the brightness a bit. Hope you can see now. Okay, so it's totally bare bones now. So let me show you. Go to settings, and you can go to system and about phone. It is LG D855 global version, unlocked global variant. So we can go to about phone, and you can see it's a LiquidRemix. Device name, maintainer is Hardstyler, and you can go to Android version here, which is 9, and you can see the Android version 9, and you can see the build number 12/21 December 21. You can press on the, and you can see the Android Pie Easter egg here. So that's it guys for this video, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell notification icon so that you can receive the notification whenever I upload a new video. So there is the review coming up of this ROM, and yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.